Congratulations, you just won a $1,000 Amazon gift card. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you did not win a $1,000 Amazon gift card. This is just an example of phishing. And although I know you really want that new kitchen gadget, it's not worth the risk. Welcome to our crash course, Phishing 101. Phishing uses fake messages to steal personal data and/or install malware. Common methods include text, email, or social media. Have you heard of the term social engineering? Well, it's this concept of trying to get you to do something and do it immediately. Whether bad actors are trying to scare you or excite you, it's an example of social engineering. Their way to get your info by getting you to click, fill out, or download something. So next time you get a message with urgency, double check its authenticity. And if you're not sure, even if it's just 1% doubt, double check with your IT department or your tech partner. Some things to pay attention to are generic greetings, poor writing, and email addresses that just don't make sense. For example, if you get an email from pavepal.com, if you see any of these signs, report and delete. Now, we got to get these bad actors credit, as they have multiple strategies now. Strategy 1 we refer to as generic. This is when a message is crafted and sent to random people. There's not really a lot of thought behind it. These typically get to people who are uneducated or in a rush. Strategy number 2 is spear phishing. This is more carefully crafted. The message will most likely make sense to you impersonating your bank or your employer, and will need a little bit more effort to be caught. Strategy number 3 is going for the big dogs, people in your C-suite, most likely impersonating board members or well-known vendors. Strategy 4, smishing, my favorite. This is done through text. You've probably received a UPS tracking link through text when you didn't have a package en route, right? Another common one we're seeing is text from your boss asking you to buy gift cards. That's smishing. With all of these different strategies, you must stay vigilant. Never be too much in a rush to take a close look. And if you ever have any doubt, just reach out. Together, we can secure our world.